Welcome to our channel, a space dedicated to creativity, transformation, and meaningful living. Here, we explore how renewing old furniture can elevate home decor while promoting sustainability and thoughtful design. This video is about seeing potential where others see the end of usefulness, and about turning worn pieces into elegant additions that bring warmth, character, and individuality into living spaces. Thank you for being part of the journey. Your support truly makes a difference. Beyond inspiration, this video also focuses on growth and opportunity. We share ideas, techniques, and insights that can help turn restoration skills into a rewarding venture. Whether you are here to improve your home, learn a creative craft, or explore an entrepreneurial path, this video is designed to inform, motivate, and support your journey from simple restoration to lasting success. Stay with us until the end of the video to see the full transformation and pick up practical ideas you can apply in your own space or creative journey. If you find this content helpful or inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips, insights, and real examples of creative restoration and growth. Your likes help the channel reach more people who care about beautiful living and sustainable ideas, and sharing the video with friends and family supports this growing community. Thank you for being part of the journey. Your support truly makes a difference. Breathing new life into old wooden furniture is both a creative and purposeful endeavor that bridges aesthetics, sustainability, and economic opportunity. In many homes, aging furniture pieces carry stories, craftsmanship, and material quality that are rarely found in mass-produced items today. Rather than discarding these items, restoration allows homeowners to preserve character while adapting furniture to modern tastes and living spaces. This process transforms worn and outdated items into elegant elements of home decor, enhancing interior harmony and adding a sense of authenticity that new furnishings often lack. From a home decor perspective, restored wooden furniture contributes warmth, balance, and visual depth to interior spaces. Through thoughtful refinishing, subtle design updates, and careful detailing, older pieces can seamlessly blend with contemporary, traditional, or mixed decor styles. The uniqueness of restored furniture ensures that no two homes look exactly alike, helping homeowners express individuality and cultural appreciation. This personalization elevates living spaces beyond functionality, turning them into reflections of identity and taste. Beyond aesthetics, furniture restoration aligns strongly with principles of environmental sustainability. Reusing and upgrading existing materials reduces waste, minimizes demand for raw resources, and lowers the environmental footprint associated with manufacturing and transportation. In an era where sustainable living is increasingly valued, restored furniture represents a conscious lifestyle choice. It demonstrates how beauty and responsibility can coexist, making restoration not only an artistic practice but also an environmentally ethical one. The restoration process itself encourages creativity, problem-solving, and craftsmanship. It involves assessing structural integrity, improving surface appearance, and ensuring long-term durability while respecting the original form. Each project presents unique challenges that require patience, skill development, and attention to detail. This hands-on engagement fosters a deeper appreciation for quality workmanship and builds confidence in creative abilities, whether undertaken as a hobby or a professional pursuit. From an entrepreneurial perspective, furniture restoration offers a promising pathway for small business development. The growing demand for customized, sustainable, and locally crafted decor items has created a niche market with strong potential. Entrepreneurs can transform restoration skills into income-generating ventures by offering services, selling refurbished items, or combining restoration with interior design solutions. This business model often requires relatively low initial investment compared to large-scale manufacturing, making it accessible to individuals and small enterprises. Restored furniture also holds strong appeal in markets that value heritage, culture, and authenticity. Many customers are drawn to items that carry history and craftsmanship rather than standardized designs. By restoring and presenting furniture thoughtfully, entrepreneurs can create emotional connections with buyers, enhancing perceived value and customer loyalty. Storytelling, highlighting transformation journeys and design inspiration, can further strengthen market appeal and brand identity. Economic benefits extend beyond individual entrepreneurs to communities as well. Furniture restoration businesses can create employment opportunities, support local skill development, and encourage the preservation of traditional craftsmanship. As these enterprises grow, they contribute to local economies while promoting sustainable consumption patterns. This community-level impact reinforces restoration as a socially beneficial practice, not merely a decorative one. Marketing and presentation are equally important in turning restored furniture into a profitable enterprise. Visual appeal, quality presentation, and clear communication of value help distinguish restored items in competitive decor markets. Digital platforms, exhibitions, and collaborations with designers or homeowners can expand reach and visibility. When restoration is positioned as both an art and a solution, it resonates strongly with modern consumers. In conclusion, breathing new life into old wooden furniture represents a powerful intersection of elegance, sustainability, and entrepreneurship. It enhances home decor by introducing unique, meaningful pieces while offering individuals an opportunity to build creative and financially rewarding ventures. As appreciation for sustainable living and personalized spaces continues to grow, furniture restoration stands out as a practice that enriches homes, empowers entrepreneurs, and contributes positively to society at large. Thank you for watching the video and spending your time with us. We truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed the content or found it useful, please subscribe to the channel for more inspiring videos, like the video to help it reach a wider audience, and share it with friends, family, or anyone who might benefit from these ideas. Your engagement encourages us to keep creating valuable and creative content, and we're grateful to have you as part of this growing community.